Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to do Messenger heart effects. So you have to just open the Messenger app on your Android device or iPhone. So you have to on the open the chat of anyone randomly and go to the top right corner on the blue tick. You have to click and there is words effects. So you can add some heart on the below emoji. So you will type the heart, and when you find the heart you will click to the red heart and you will add a phrase. So you will type of your any choice. So you will type yes. So when you will in the chat type yes, and with the yes you have to send hearts. So I will type yes in the random chat. So I will send it. So you can see it's working. So I will type yes and you see it's will working and it's going to sending heart. Whenever you type many time you type yes, so it will be sending with hearts. So this is how to affect heart on Messenger. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.